G'day, Mcdaddy, camper trailing. Today we go to Ravensthorpe for the Ravensthorpe Native Flower Show.
Nestled between the rugged coastline and rolling ranges of Western Australia's Great Southern region, Ravensthorpe comes alive each spring with a burst of color and community spirit at the Ravensthorpe Wildflower Show. Held every September during the peak of wildflower season, this iconic event showcases one of the most diverse floral displays in the world. With over 700 species of wildflowers on display, many unique to the region, the show transforms the Ravensthorpe Town Hall into a living museum of nature's finest work. As I wandered through the exhibits, the vibrant purples, soft pinks, and golden hues of native orchids, banksias, and grevilleas were breathtaking. The flowers are all freshly picked and identified by passionate local botanists and volunteers. It's not just a flower show, it's a celebration of biodiversity, conservation, and culture. Outside, market stalls line the streets, offering handmade crafts, regional produce, wildflower art, and bush food tastings. Workshops, guided wildflower walks, and expert talks added depth to the experience, perfect for both flower lovers and curious travelers. The friendly small-town charm of Ravensthorpe really shines during the event. Locals welcome you like old friends, and there's a genuine pride in sharing their corner of WA's floral wonderland. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or just passing through, the Ravensthorpe Flower Show is a blooming good reason to stop, explore, and be amazed. The reason Ravensthorpe is so special is that the region holds 20 to 25% of WA's floral species, many of which are found nowhere else. The Fitzgerald River National Park is a UNESCO biosphere reserve, known for extraordinary biodiversity, rivaling places like the Galapagos. For over 40 years, the Ravensthorpe Wildflower Show has been a volunteer-driven showcase of botanical wonder, community spirit, and artistic expression. Thinking of coming to Ravensthorpe? Then plan to stay a few days. Combine your trip with visits to Fitzgerald River National Park and the Kookanurup Memorial Bushwalk. Come prepared. Bring sturdy walking shoes, a camera, notebooks or field guides, water, and permits. Where to stay? Options include Greenhaven Tourist Park, local motels, caravan parks in Hopetown or Ravensthorpe Town Hall, WA. Flowers 700 species. Includes rare orchids and eucalypts. Entry $5, free for kids. If you're a wildflower enthusiast, botanist, photographer, or simply love discovering unique natural landscapes, this event is a botanical festival not to be missed. Oh, and make sure you take time to visit the historic community center for tea, coffee, scones, and cakes served with love and country hospitality. Whilst in town, have a meal or refreshing beverage and visit the Yummylicious Candy Shack,